We have officially entered the era of conversational AI, which means that the way people use search engines has changed and continues to change at lightning speed. But the mission remains the same: get seen, get clicks, get results. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the trends that are shaping the future of SEO and why it's more alive than ever. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Some things are dying. This is why your content strategy should always be combining informational, inspirational, and transactional content. People don't just want answers anymore. They want interactions, they want inspiration, they want communities, still crucial, but forget about spammy directories or bulk backlink swaps. In 2025, it's all about natural link building. The kind that happens when people trust your content enough to share it. Think guest posts, collaborations, and features on high-authority sites. What matters? Fewer but stronger, relevance and context over sheer numbers. Boosting your domain authority through consistent value and authenticity, because Google's gotten really good at sniffing out fluff. And one major shift could tank your traffic. That's why ongoing research, split testing, and tool mastery aren't optional. They're your survival kit. Use real-time analytics to track your top-performing content, spot drop-offs early, and optimize before your ranking slips. Pro tip: use tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Google Search Console to monitor your rankings and make data-driven decisions. You need content that's original, useful, and used. We're done with SEO tactics that rely on deception. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future-proof marketing tips. Drop a comment and let me know what your biggest SEO challenge is in 2025. Let's figure it out together. Thank you so much for watching. SEO in 2025 is about building relationships with your audience and with search engines. It's time for authenticity. Your new formula: be helpful, be human, be not just optimized for search engines, but written for real people. Think blogs, YouTube tutorials, social posts, places where brands educate, entertain, or engage before a transaction. Think long form, short form, live streams, and even user-generated content. Don't just inform, be actionable. Google's gotten really good at sniffing out fluff and rewarding quality. Teach, solve problems, start conversations, encourage comments and community interaction. It sends engagement signals Google loves: keywords, stuffing, invisible links, image alt tags that say nothing. Basically, anything that was SEO circa 2005 is going the dodo. And yes, authority backlinks are still important, but spamming your way to the top no longer works. Those tactics may have had their time in the sun, but they're ghosting us now. But here's the twist: SEO itself is not dying, it's evolving. So here are 5 reasons why SEO is not only alive but thriving in 2025. Part 1. The rise of conversational AI in voice search. In 2025, people aren't just typing, they're talking. With tools like Google's search results are now interactive, AI-powered, and conversational. And that changes everything. Voice search is booming. From smart speakers to mobile queries like "What's the best vegan restaurant near me open now?" SEO in 2025 still revolves around one thing: value. And if your content isn't optimized for how people speak, you're invisible. Here's how to adapt. Use long-tail, conversational keywords. Answer direct questions clearly. Structure content so it reads like a dialogue with the reader. Part 2. Why high-quality content still rules? Here's the truth. Part 3. Link building has evolved. Link building. Part 4. Stay ahead of algorithm updates. Google updates its algorithm thousands of times a year. Part 5. SEO isn't dead. It's just growing up. If you've been thinking SEO is outdated, think again. It's just getting smarter. If you found this helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to TappyFox for more smart strategies that actually work. See you in the next video.